and welcome back to the channel. It's been a very long day, but we have a Temu haul for you today. We've got 3 different things to show you in this. The reason why it's not in the orange bag is because I ordered another folder to, to put my paintings in that are over at my relatives, and I really wanted to get into that. And normally I would film it over there if my relative's not there, but because she's off for the moment, it's been a bit difficult. So I thought, you know what, I'll keep that out and I'll just do this one how it is. It's, it is what it is. But anyway, we've got 3 things to show you, and I really can't wait to show you this. So let's get into this first of all. Do you know what it is? Can you see? It's a little love heart. Now, I absolutely love Temu. I've literally got 3 other orders at the time of recording this, winging its way to us as we speak. So really excited for this. Getting stuck here. So let's get into that. And first of all, in here, let's take a look at our jewels in a minute. But I had to get this. I fell in love with this, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So what's lovely about this is you've got that lovely horizon of the sun there. Try and get that up a bit more. But what's nice is this is a love heart, but you've got the stones or the pebbles like what's the word I'm looking for? Like transparency through the glass of the heart there, and I thought that was just wonderful. You've got the reflection of the sun there, that lovely blue sky, but what's nice is you've got that lovely pebbly sort of beach there as well. I can see this being a lot of heavy confetti. Confetti is what we call when we've got loads of different colour change, and I thought I really got to get this. And now I can't remember how much I paid for this. I think it was like £3 something, but it's a 30x40, really lovely canvas. Temu is such a fantastic app. If you check on when you've ordered your order, if you check on the order section, I think it's under track, there will be a section that says request credit adjustment. If after you've bought this, within 30 days it drops in price, you can get a bit of a credit adjustment back. It's a fantastic app. The speed is unbelievable. It gets you within a week. It's just a wonderful app, and I am really loving my time with Temu. Just keep shopping all the time. You'll love it. Absolutely fantastic company. I've just bought some more clothing. I've bought my first clothing haul with them as well, which you'll see in another unboxing here. But as you can see, I stand a little drill boat there, and we'll take a look at the drills. So we'll take a look at the drills here. So these are the drills. I've actually been working on my summer square drill at the moment, so you'll see that. I think it's July it goes up. But yeah, look at this. This is lovely. So we've got our classic 310s, I think that is probably. More than likely 310. We've got a dark blue. Let's do it this way. So you've got a black, a blue, browns, greys. That's nice. Loads of different. Oh yeah, midnight blue there maybe. Really gorgeous. Absolutely fantastic. It's a really lovely colours there. I really like that colour there. That's nice. Sort of like a teal colour there. And yeah, that's really lovely. So I really like that. Now, we've got to step away from painting for the minute, because the next thing that I've got is, I said I broke my fish pen. Well, I got another fish pen. They do have different colours. So you've got pink, I think one's got a blue end. I have got another one coming because I'm trying to get the blue one, and they select it at random. So I just hope and pray that I get the blue one next. I really want the blue one. But you don't get the option to pick what colour you want. It's randomly picked. But I'm really happy with this. It's such a lovely pen to work with. And in here, you get, obviously, the pen. And then if you just pull that off, sometimes it can get stuck. This part can get stuck up the canal here. This is quite interesting. This is actually a black version. The last one I had was pink. And looking at that, it's got a lovely girth on it. So it's got a really big metal tip there. The last one I had, I found like, it's almost like if you push it too hard, this foot pushes its way back up to there. But I've got another one now. These are cheap as bricks, 50p, absolutely bargain. And I'm going to get another couple of them, so really had to get one of them. Obviously the next thing I got was the file, but that's over in Whittam because I needed it for there. And then I have to give a massive shout out to Liz Harrison Scotty Dog Crafts, because you know in her video, she did a video and she said there was a Yin Yang Elephant. Well, this is the Yin Yang Elephant. So it is a 20 x 20. It's a brand new size that I've never worked on before. So this one's going to be really small. But let's take a look at this Yin Yang. And I thought, well, I've got to have a look. I'll have a look at it and see what I think. And I thought, yeah, I'm going to have that. I think I paid like £2 for this. It's really, really lovely. Look at the size of that. That is so cute. But it's really nice. It's nice and petite. If you wanted to, you could cut the border off. Really, really lovely. 1 to 17. We could probably do this on the Tuesday lives, maybe. But as you can see, you've got that black border and then that yin and the yang. So the yin, I think, is the white bit, and then the yang is the black bit. But you've got a white elephant and a black elephant in that lovely yin yang. And apparently there's a group down here. Join our group to share your new masterpieces at www.facebook.com/groups. And then obviously there's some sort of number there. But I thought that was so cute. And I really am tempted to cut that border off. And that will sit very nicely in my craft room. So yeah, very happy with that. We've got our standard drill boat again. No bags in this one this time. So let's put that over to one side. And let's get into the... Oh, yes. Yeah, wow. So these bags, these are lovely. They don't come up very often. These bags come in like, you know, the resealable bags. And they don't really come up an awful lot. But when you do get them... Oh, they're lovely to work with. Fantastic. So let's take a look at the colours. We've got grey, another grey, a slightly warmer grey. We've got a chocolatey sort of colour there. Not entirely sure what that colour is, but yeah, we've got a blue one, a dark grey, a green, that lovely midnight blue there. Perhaps an army sort of camouflagey, camouflagey. Camouflage, I can't get it out, camouflage, there we go. Colours there, really, really lovely. And sometimes what you'll find is, I've had bags like this before from Harry Potter, and they've split all over it inside the bag, and you don't really know if you've got enough, but that's gorgeous. I think that is so, so cute. That is so adorable. I'm really happy with that. Absolutely brilliant. So huge thanks to Liz Scotty Dog Crafts for that, for recommending that. And that is our haul. So I hope you like that video. Once again, we have this one here. We have the yin and the yang, which is that one. And we've got our little fish pen. As I said, I won't be showing the file because obviously that's over in Whittam, and I keep it in a box over there. I need to bring it over here, but I didn't have enough room in my bag. But really lovely order. Please get, you know, shopping with Temu. It's a fantastic app. You've got so many things on there. The delivery is free. It's really, really such a fantastic company. The speed is unbelievable. Like, within about the end of the week, you've got it. It's just a fantastic company, and I'm really in the process of moving all my Amazon ones that I find. If I see one on Amazon, I check Temu first because I get it at a bit lower, and I can't wait to get into this. This will be coming up in June or July because it's like a summery sort of one, but I really can't wait to start this Yin Yang. I think we might do that Tuesday on a live maybe, but I'll have a look. But anyway, that's Temu today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of further videos that I do from Temu. We've got more Temu hauls coming up next week. Take care, and I'll catch you later.